Red lipstick is iconic, but it also exposes every tiny mistake, uneven edges, feathering, transfer, and that weird inner lip fade after coffee. Today, we're fixing the most common red lipstick mistakes with fast, makeup lover-proved fixes. No complicated tools. Just small technique upgrades that make your red look cleaner, last longer, and look more expensive. Mistake number 1, over-prepping the lips. Lip prep matters, but too much balm right before lipstick makes red slide around. Then it breaks up, and it transfers everywhere. Here's the fix. Prep early, not last second, exfoliate gently, then apply balm while you do the rest of your makeup. When it's time for lipstick, blot the balm fully. You want smooth lips, not slippery lips. For an extra clean border, tap a tiny amount of foundation only around the edges of your lips, then blot. This cleans the perimeter and helps the red look crisp without drying everything out. Mistake number 2, going full opacity too fast. A thick first layer of red is the quickest way to get mess. Edges get fuzzy. The lip line shifts when you talk, and transfer goes up. Fix it by building in thin layers. First layer, thin and precise, blot. Second layer, thin again, blot. This presses pigment into the lips instead of leaving excess product sitting on top. Mistake number 3, making the outline razor sharp everywhere. A crisp red lip can look stunning, but if it's sharp all the way around, it can read harsh in daylight, and it can look to cut out on camera. Instead, keep the crisp edge where it matters most. Cupids, bow peaks, and outer corners. Then soften the rest with a clean fingertip or a small brush, tapping gently along the edge. You still get definition, but it looks modern and wearable. Mistake number 4, overlining the corners. Overlining can be gorgeous, but the corners are where red exposes everything. If you overline the corners even a little, the lip can look messy fast, especially when you smile. Keep the corners on your natural lip line. If you want fullness, overline only in the center of the top lip and the center of the bottom lip. That gives volume without warping your mouth shape. Mistake number 5, feathering and bleeding. If your red migrates into fine lines, it's often not the lipstick. It's the skin around the mouth. Skincare, sunscreen, or a dewy base can make that area slippery, and red will travel. Before lipstick, lightly set around the mouth with translucent powder. Not baking, just setting. Then apply your lipstick. After that, clean the outer border with a small brush and a tiny bit of concealer. Trace the edge and blend outward. This sharpens everything and helps stop migration. Mistake number 6, the inner lip fade ring. The center looks fine, but the inner rim disappears, and the lip looks broken up in minutes. Before lipstick, blot the inner rim by pressing a cotton pad or tissue between your lips and tapping lightly. Then apply lipstick, keeping the inner area slightly lighter. Less product there lasts longer. When you touch up, focus only on the inner area. Do not keep stacking product on the outer edges. That's how you avoid a thick, heavy outline by the end of the day. Mistake number 7, transfer on everything. Cups, your phone, cheeks, collars. It happens after your final layer, blot. Then place a clean tissue over your lips and press a little translucent powder through the tissue. This sets the surface without making the lip look chalky. And for teeth, do a quick check. Put a finger in your mouth, close your lips around it, and pull it out. That removes excess lipstick from the inner rim, which is usually what hits your teeth first. Mistake number 8, the red looks too loud because the face is unbalanced. Sometimes the red isn't too much. It's just the only focal point. Pick one balancing move. Add a touch more blush, just a soft wash. Or add a little more brow definition. Or add mascara or a tight line to frame the eyes. The goal is to make the red look intentional, not like it showed up alone. Mistake number 9, choosing the wrong finish for the moment. Glossy red looks incredible, but it's the most likely to feather and transfer. Matte red can last, but it can grab texture if prep is off. Match the finish to your day. If you want longevity, go for satin or satin matte. Build thin layers, then set with the tissue on powder method. If you want gloss, keep the edges more structured and avoid overloading product near the corners. Quick recap: prep early, then blot. Build thin layers. Keep corners natural, set the skin around the mouth. Clean the edge with a tiny bit of concealer. Control the inner rim, and set with tissue and powder. That's how you get a red lip that looks clean, up close, looks expensive on camera, and stays put without constant fixing. If you want a pot too, we can do advanced red lip fixes, like correcting asymmetry, reshaping Cupid's bow, and red lip combos for different undertones. Before you go, please subscribe for more makeup tips. Like this video, comment your biggest red lipstick struggle, and share this with a friend who loves a bold lip. For now, go wear that red.